Today I realized that many of my students who want to learn Slovenian don't really know how to say Slovenian language in Slovenian. It is quite a long word and it has those dreaded letters with Karen in it, sh and ch. So this is the correct way to say it. Slovenščina. Slovenšči, ščina. Slovenščina. Slovenščina. Another way to say Slovenian language is also slovenski jezik. Slovenski jezik, which literally means Slovenian language. So then, how to say I speak Slovenian? Well, you can say govorim slovensko and also govorim slovenski jezik. If you speak a little bit of Slovenian, you can say govorim malo slovensko. Do you speak Slovenian or just a little bit of Slovenian? Let me know in the comments.